Hey folks, hey everyone. Just showing off some stuff that I'm working on or that I'm about to work on. I did almost work on this Smith & Wesson, like a J-frame vintage leather holster. I've got some work to still do on it. I got to clean the leather a little bit. I polished up the snaps and redid that black snap, and got the crud off of the leather, any leather mold. These are all three Smith & Wesson holsters made by Smith & Wesson. But what I really wanted to show you guys were these two gems. This is the SWAT Featherweight. It says made in USA, good law enforcement, military, armed forces only on it, so it's the correct blade. It's the SWAT 1235. It's a Rocky Moser design, and it's really cool. It's got the USA sheath, and here's how it opens, like that. Like it's got like this, what looks like you'd find on a lighter, and you just pull it back or pull it forward, and it opens up. Now I have completed work on this one. This one is like mint again, and it is sharp. I mean, it is razor sharp. I had to redo some of the lettering, and you just move it forward a little bit. But it is very lightweight. But boy, does it open quick. Just press that thing just a little bit, and you are off to the races. I had to clean it up a lot, redid the blade, polished it up some, redid the lettering. It's got the Smith & Wesson logo on it. SWAT Featherweight. It's a 4-inch blade. Well, between 3.5 and 4 inch. And it goes in this handy sheath like this. I re-cleaned the sheath. Got all the dirt off. Just general housekeeping on the sheath. The sheath wasn't in too bad a condition, to be honest. And then the Smith & Wesson 1400 serrated with sheath. Yeah, it's got the same deal. Armed forces only, law enforcement, military, and it's SW 1400. It's got all the correct markings, and cleaned the boxes up, and got rid of any dents. USA on the sheath, nice loop, and then we've got the actual knife itself. You just press a button, and I redid the laser engraving, or parts of the laser engraving, on the Navy SEAL symbol. Go Navy SEALs. And and like I always say, 2 is 1 and 1 is none. And this thing has got it's a metal. This thing was all it wasn't black. It was black and silver when I got it. And the blade was pretty scratched up. I think I did pretty good on it. There's still a little spot right there I'm not happy with, but I don't think that's going to go anywhere. I've got one more cleaning device to use, but I think it's at least 99%. Maybe, you can't really see it. I guess in the video, unless I really point it out, it's just a little tiny blemish right there. But I got it most out and sharpened it. This thing is razor sharp. And it just, you press in the button, and it is quick open. Got the Navy SEALs logo, the correct logo, and it says on the box, serrated with sheath. But it says non-serrated with sheath. Okay, Smith & Wesson Police, POW, but it's actually a military one because the Navy SEALs are part of the Navy, of course. But, you know, anytime you get one of these boxes that has the Made in USA symbol on it, you know it's made right there where the Smith & Wesson factory is. This is an old 70s model, 1974, 60. It's got genuine silver bolsters. I haven't did anything but clean up the leather a little bit, but it needs to be redone. You know, it's got the pull the dot, which works perfect. I need to clean that up. You can see all that crud underneath it. And redo the leather some. And then it's supposed to snap back on. But you gotta have it just right. Like when you pull the dot. But it's got some really fun leather work on here. And I can work with that. I can get this out. Polish up the snaps. Get all this other stuff out. And here is the actual knife. As you can see, it does have some scratches on it. It is made in the USA. There are some issues. You know, it's got some of the brass where the brass snap had went all green on it. These are genuine nickel silver, German silver bolsters, and the Smith & Wesson logo is also German silver. And it's got, let me see if I can find it. It's supposed to be inside. The serial number is, if it's not on the blade, it's inside the brass knife sheath or scales, but I don't see it. I guess this is it doesn't say factory second on it, so this is a really rare one. I guess they're kind of rare when they have the stamped Made in the USA in them anyway, but it generally has you know, I can get rid of some of this, clean up these scratches, and get all these scratches off. It'll be like new money. Doesn't need sharpened. I sharpened it, but I do need to get all these scratches off the blade and fingerprints that I've been putting on it. There's some scratches here and there. I mean, I guess you can see them better like this. This side is more scratched up, but it's nothing serious. This isn't the worst knife I've ever worked on. It's got some black on it, a little bit of pitting right there. And I'll clean up this nickel silver, and this logo is going to shine like new money. Clean up this brass with some Brasso. I'll put it on the grinder, the polisher, buffing wheel, and we'll get this thing looking like new money. And I was also wanting to, people have been asking for it, just clean all my fingerprints off, put this back in the bag. But, you know, I've got an eclectic range of tastes, so I'm going to take you guys on a small tour of the I've been working on that one too, that knife, of the man cave. There's my rock portion. Some Van Halen, some Ozzy, AC/DC, L Storm, Alexandria Linus, she plays wicked guitar. Of course, I got the bats over there by Ozzy. That's a real blown up picture from the original negative. By the way, my wife got me. Here's my very cool cars. I don't own any of these cars. The Judge. Even got a Judge model over here, as you can see, and a smaller Judge. I really like cars. I'm into cars. There's Eddie from Iron Maiden. The Trooper. Got some superhero stuff over here. One of my running trophies, running race. Here's my tea, Gold Peak Zero Sugar Sweet Tea. My monster collection, like the Wolfman, the Meta Mutant, the creature from the Black Lagoon. Whoops, the other smaller creature fell over. I was wondering what that sound was earlier. Here's my American flag. It's actually, made in America. It's a really old flag that was in the VFW that I was overhead of. Elvira Mr. Dark model of a 58 Thunderbird, the Metaluna Mutant, the Wolfman, my skull with Bullet Mohawk, Frankenstein, Werewolf of London, the Mummy, some Frederick Cooper arts of Dracula, Heath Ledger's Joker, an American Werewolf in London. Of course, I love Halloween, so this battle axe, which is actually a real battle axe, and it is really heavy and really sharp. My degrees, some cool weapons I've got. I collect all kinds of weapons. It's my Smith & Wesson Model 1000 Super 12 gauge, shoots any 12 gauge round, 3-inch magnums, anything. Got about 4 chokes with it. Got my Schmidt-Rubin Swiss Army rifle in the case there. Got my Smith & Wesson wall, very rare 1960 mirror. Smith & Wesson knives, Smith & Wesson banner, a couple models and some knives in a box I haven't put together yet. My nautical clock, my actual katanas and samurai sword, some Smith & Wesson signs. Like I don't have enough Smith & Wesson signs. I'm trying to move around. This blackjack. If you hit somebody with this, it's loaded with lead. If you hit somebody with this, they're going to stay hit. I mean, it hurts. Mine and Chakus. This old fantasy sword, which is actually really freaking sharp. So that's about it. Oh, and my Godzilla on the door there. And my inversion table that I need to put someplace. That's all I got. My guitar. That's it. That's all I got, folks. I need to clean it up in here, I know.